Looking to make your party bus fleet the top pick for events and group outings? Digital marketing and SEO are key to driving bookings and standing out in a crowded market. Start with strong SEO by targeting keywords that match your routes and event types. Think beyond party bus to local phrases like bachelorette party bus city or nightlife shuttle neighborhood. Optimize each service page with focused keywords, clear calls to action, and details on pricing, amenities, and safety. Boost local visibility by creating separate landing pages for each city or neighborhood, featuring local testimonials and photos. Ensure your site loads fast on mobile by compressing images and streamlining code. Content is essential. Publish guides for events like proms and weddings. Answer common booking questions and showcase real customer experiences. For booking pages, make pricing, vehicle details, and availability easy to scan. Use trust signals like insurance info and customer reviews, and implement schema markup so your listings stand out in search results. Combine organic SEO with paid ads, social media, influencer partnerships, and email marketing to fill your calendar, especially during peak seasons. Cross-promote limousine services for added value and greater reach.